Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create email notification on your Zoho CRM platform. So for that you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now select this first website and log into your account right here and then click on profile icon and then select access Zoho CRM. Now choose this settings icon. Go with this option called actions. Now select this new email notification button. Now fill all of these details, which is you have to name your email notification, select your modules from this list, and you have to enter your email right here. And after filling all of these details, you just need to click on save button. And after that, the last, selecting your template. Now click on this button and search for your template, and you can choose your template, anyone you like. And after filling all of these details, you just need to click on this button right here called save. And you have now successfully created your email notification on your Zoho CRM account. So that's how you guys can able to do it. And that's it for the video, guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.